Israeli health professionals offering trainings to physicians drawn from Addis Ababa. Israeli medical professionals 100 physicians and medical staff from about 8 hospitals in Addis Ababa. Speaking at the opening ceremony today, Adam Goldstein from Israel's Wolfson Medical.
But we are here to give whatever we can. We're here to give and take from each other, to form a partnership where we can just each be our best. And that's what it's about. The world is a little bit of a disaster now, and all we can focus on is saving the life in front of us.
Center expressed his honor in being part of the program, calling it a true partnership. He noted the mutual exchange of knowledge, stating that the Israeli team learns as much from their Ethiopian counterparts as they are able to share. Israel's ambassador to Ethiopia, Abraham Nigais, highlighted the deep-rooted.
The purpose of this course is just to share Israeli experiences. Israel, as a startup nation, is using innovation and technologies in many different areas, agriculture and others, and also the health sector. So today we are focusing on health sector. We have a delegation, medical delegation, doctors from Israeli hospitals. So they are here to conduct a 1-week training course of capacity building on anesthesiology and trauma. So this is really sharing experiences and knowledges between the medical doctors of Ethiopia and the medical doctors of Israel. Israel is taking a policy of strengthening a relationship with the African continent. And the first priority is Ethiopia, because we see Ethiopia with our long relationship, and we have also a unique relationship that, the many years of the Ethiopian Jewish community here. Ethiopia in the Horn of Africa is very important for our relationship, for Israel, for example, because Ethiopia is a gateway to Africa.
Elis Gezahegn, CEO of Alert Hospital, on his part, expressed deep gratitude for the support, noting this is the 6th.
We are getting lots of equipment support. We are very grateful for that. We are grateful for Israeli government, even at this very difficult time. Thank you for your support, for work together, collaborate, strengthen our collaboration.
Addis Ababa City Mayor Adanek urges for genuine during Second Africa Climate Summit. Service provider institutions in Addis Ababa are strongly urged to demonstrate the culture of Ethiopian hospitality as well as enhancing the efficiency of their services during. Mayor of Addis Ababa City hosted in Addis Ababa in September. Speaking at the occasion, Mayor Adanek Abibi noted that hosting international and regional conferences in Addis Ababa has been
ከግል ጥቅማችን ከያንዳንዳችን ጥቅም በላይ ሆነ ኃላፊነት ነው ያዝነው። ለሀገራችን አምባሳደሮች ነን። በሆቴል ሰርቪሱ ያለን፣ በሆስፒታሊቲው ዘርፍ ያለን ተዋናዮች ከማንም በላይ ለሀገራችን አምባሳደሮች ነን። ይህ ትልቅ አባባልና ኃላፊነትን
noted that hosting international and regional conferences in Addis Ababa has been increasing in recent years. In the concluding 2017 Ethiopian calendar alone, Addis Ababa hosted over 150 conferences and some 230,000 guests convened in these conferences, the mayor said. Conference tourism has been growing in the city, the mayor said, adding the flow of tourists has raised from 78,000 in 2014 to 1.3. Part, Planning and Development Minister, Fitsum Asefa noted that Ethiopia's actions to prevent climate change are exemplary to others. She cited as examples the Green Legacy Initiative, Riverside Development
Change actionዎችን በማድረግ መሬት ላይ ተጨባጭ ስራዎችን አረንጓዴ አሻራችንን እናቃለን ከተማችን ውስጥ እየተሰራ ያለ ስራ ክሊር ክላይሜት አክሽን ነው
project, renovation and development through corridor development and widespread renewable energy undertakings in the country, Fitsum recalled. In this regard, Ethiopia is the right choice to host the Africa Climate Summit and UN Climate Week from September 5 to 10, 2025, she noted. Tourism Minister Selamawit Kassa on her part said that all stakeholders involved in the hospitality industry should be prepared to effectively and efficiently provide services to the participants.
ማይስ ኢንዱስትሪ ውጤታማ እንዲሆን ከሚያደርጉ ሀቆች መካከል መሰረተ ልማት አንዱ ነው ምቹ የሆነ ጥራቱን የጠበቀ መሰረተ ልማት አገልግሎትን መስጠት በተለይ የኮንፈረንስ ቦታዎችን የስብሰባ አዳራሾችን ሁነት ማዘጋጃዎችን በጥራት ማቅረብ እንደምታውቁት ለአንድ ከተማ ወሳኝ ነው በዚህ ሂደት ውስጥ ደግሞ ልክ የአዲስ አፍሪካ ኮንቬንሽን ሴንተርን እዚህ ያለንበት አድዋን ጨምሮ ትልልቅ የመሰረተ ልማቶች የማይስ ኢንዱስትሪውን ሊያሳድጉ የሚችሉ መዳረሻዎች በስፋት እየተገነቡ ነው ተገምተው ማገልግሎት መስጠት ጀምረዋል ሀገርን የምንገነባበት ገጽታዋን የከተማችንን ገጽታ የምንገነባበት እድል ስለሆነ በተለይ እንግዶች ወደ ከተማችን ወደ ሆቴሎች ሲመጡ ምን ሰጣቸው አገልግሎት የሀገርን ገጽታ መገንባት እና መረጃም ጭምር የምንሰጥበት እንደሆነ ማወቅ ያስፈልጋል እያንዳንዱ ባለሙያ ቢያንስ መሰረታዊ የሆነ ስለ ሀገሩ የሚያቀበትን እድል ፍጠሩ ስለ ከተማው መሰረታዊ የሆነ መረጃ ይዞ እንግዳ ፊት እንዲቀርብ ማድረግ ያስፈልጋል
Fishery productivity has tripled in Ethiopia. The Bounty of Basket initiative has tripled fish productivity in the country, Ministry of Agriculture revealed. Bounty of Basket initiative was officially launched on October 2023 in Arba Minch City to ensure food sovereignty primarily at household level. The Bounty of Basket registered tangible yields and productivity in livestock and fish resources as well as vegetables and fruits, enhancing the livelihoods of farmers and pastoralists in the country. Fish Development Desk Head at the Ministry of Agriculture, Fazil Dawit said that the Bounty of Basket has created a favorable environment for fishery development.
በተለይ ደግሞ በጠቅላይ ሚኒስትራችን የተጀመረው የልማት ትሩፋት እንቅስቃሴ አሳብቱ ደግሞ የዚህ ኢኒሺዬቲቭ አንዱ አካል ነው
Fazil Dawit said that the Bounty of Basket has created a favorable environment for fishery development and productivity. In this regard, the development activities being undertaken to enhance fishery has tripled the productivity of fish, Fazil added. Fazil also stated that the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is producing up to 14,000 kilograms of fish per day. High-value and productive fish species such as Nile perch and Nile tilapia are produced from the dam, he said. He also said that the Bounty of Basket initiative has been successful and significantly contributing for fish productivity, enhancing the production of fish to more than 255,000 tons. Citizens are actively engaged in fish farming by transforming their backyards into resources just like vegetables to ensure their food security, he noted. He added that this remarkable success of Ethiopia in fish farming and productivity can be an exemplary for other African countries as well. Ethiopia's electricity coverage reaches 54%. Ethiopia's Ministry of Water and Energy said that the country's national electricity coverage has reached 54% of the population, a result of sustained government efforts to expand power supply by harnessing multiple energy sources. State Minister of Water and Energy, Sultan Wali, said the government has designed a new program aimed at further accelerating electricity access for citizens. According to the state minister, the progress achieved so far reflects the country's continued efforts in expanding power supply through both grid extension and alternative energy sources. He noted that priority is being given to off-grid solutions for communities not yet connected to the national grid. The state minister also highlighted the role of financial institutions and development partners in financing such projects, underscoring their contribution to Ethiopia's broader electrification drive. The progress achieved so far reflects Ethiopia's continued efforts in expanding power supply through both grid extension and alternative energy sources, he added. Beyond the national grid, special focus is being placed on electrifying remote villages through solar and biogas technologies, he said, adding that Ethiopia's solar energy sector has grown significantly, with notable improvements in wattage output making solutions more affordable for citizens. Ms. Rach Sisse, Director General of the Ethiopian Solar Energy Development Association, also confirmed that recent measures have encouraged greater private sector participation in the renewable energy sector. According to her, more than 100 member companies are currently providing solar-powered solutions to rural communities. She further underlined the importance of expanding technological support to enhance agricultural productivity and called for low-interest loans to help farmers adopt renewable energy solutions. Jeremiah Kefilu, Business Development Team Manager at Oromia Cooperative Bank, also affirmed that the bank is working with development organizations to finance renewable energy projects. However, he stressed that the lending capacity of financial institutions must be strengthened to meet the rapidly growing demand. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Water and Energy recently signed an agreement with the International Solar Alliance, ISA, to implement solar mini-grid and solar park projects. The partnership is expected to boost financial and technological cooperation, particularly in applying solar energy for irrigation and drinking water supply. Ethiopia's progress is being achieved through a combination of on-grid and off-grid solutions, ranging from large-scale infrastructure projects like the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, to smaller-scale solar and wind initiatives designed to reach all communities.